pick up my mate, he's coming with me, go meet the rest of the gang, and we'll head over to Santa Pod. Who's going to win though, that's the question. We've got a nice little Mustang, 800 brake, Chaser Shelby, we've got a 400 brake Cosworth, Sapphire. That thing goes really well, hopefully we'll have a little play with him. We want to go against the Mustang really. Hopefully we'll beat him and he'll get upset. Couple of RS turbos going, then will be pretty rapid on the strip. Don't weigh nothing, do they? Really looking forward to this one, guys. That's it, guys, we've got some cars now. And a bike, just for good measure.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. Yes, guys, have it.
Not again. At least it's only the clutch cable this time, and we've got a spare result. Clutch cable fixed. Let's see how we get on against Lissy. We can't lose this or never live it down. See ya! That's a better start. Where you gone, Lissy? Whoa, oh my god guys, that's first. How the hell has this car not blown itself to pieces? Jeez, that's something you don't want to be doing, locking up halfway down Santa Pod Strip. Well, the car managed to survive first. Let's see how we get along against the old GTR. Something tells me this thing's going to leave us for dead off the launch. Well, that definitely smoked us. Left for dead.